In 1969, muscle car culture was at its absolute peak, and Plymouth wasn't about to be left behind. The 1969 Plymouth GTX, often called the gentleman's muscle car, is a perfect combination of raw American power and a touch of sophistication. Welcome back to 91 Gearbox, where today, we're taking you deep into the legend of the 69 GTX, a machine that still turns heads more than half a century later. Under the hood, this beast came standard with a 440 cubic inch Super Commando V8, delivering a factory-rated 375 horsepower. But for those who wanted to rule the streets, the GTX offered the legendary 426 HEMI engine, pushing a heart-pounding 425 horsepower. Back then, these numbers weren't just bragging rights. They were an open invitation to the drag strip. With a quarter-mile time that could humble most rivals, the GTX earned its respect in the golden age of Detroit muscle. On the outside, the GTX had a look that was both aggressive and refined. Sculpted lines, chrome, trim, and distinctive. Badging gave it presence, while the optional air grabber hood scoop hinted at the power waiting inside. You could dress it in bold, high-impact colors like vitamin C orange or B5 blue, making sure no one missed you when you rolled by. Inside, Plymouth made sure this wasn't just a bare-bones street racer. Bucket seats, wood grain accents, and premium materials gave the GTX a more upscale feel, appealing to drivers who wanted comfort along with their speed. That's why it earned the gentleman's title. It was equally at home on Main Street as it was tearing down the quarter mile. Today, the 1969 Plymouth GTX is a collector's dream. Original HEMI cars can fetch six figures at auction, and even well kept, 440 models are climbing in value year after year. It's not just about nostalgia, it's about owning a piece of pure, unfiltered American automotive history. From its roaring exhaust note to its unmistakable silhouette, the 69 GTX stands as a symbol of a time when cars weren't just transportation, they were statements. And in the world of classic muscle, few statements are louder than this one. This is 91 Gearbox, and the legend of the Plymouth GTX lives on.